Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to make a phone book on the Flyingvoice phone. Firstly, we add a phone book entry. Press directory soft key on the phone. You can see the default group, All Contacts. If you don't need to divide the contacts into different groups, press Enter to add a new contact directly. Otherwise, press Add Group. Type in a group name. Select a ring tab and press Save. And then press Enter. Press Add to add a new contact. Type in a name. Put in an office number. And then put in a mobile number. Put in odd number. The account is the line that we use to dial out. Use auto by default. Ring tab is the ringtone. Select a proper ringtone according to your needs. Change the group to Work, the one you created just now. Photo is the default. In the auto divert field, if you put in a number, the phone's incoming call will be forwarded to this number. Here we leave it blank. Press Save. Now we add a contact successfully.
Or you can log into the phone's web management page to add a contact. Then go to Phone, go to Phone Book. Scroll down the page to the bottom. Under Group Name, press Add and type in a group name. Select a ring tab, then press OK. Then find Phone Book and add a contact. Enter name. Enter an office number. Enter the mobile number and odd number if you have one. And select a proper ring tab. The group name change to Work. And select a line. Then press OK. Then we can see a phone book entry here. Then click Save and Apply to make the settings take effect. After that, download the phone book template. The phone supports the CSV format and the XML format. We download the CSV format first, and then open it with the Microsoft Office, and then add more new contacts. After that, save the file, upload the CSV file. Then we can check the directory, and we can see the new contact shows on the web page. And then we download the XML format. We open the template with Notepad. And then we can add new contact in this template. Firstly, add a new group. And then add new contact information. After that, save the template. And now we can go back to the phone's management page. To upload the XML phone book, press Choose File. Select the phone book we added just now. Click Upload XML.
When press the directory shift key on the LCD screen, you will see the new group we added, and enter all contacts. You can see all the new contacts listed.